2a into q1 plus q2. So q1 plus q2, and q1 plus q2 is equal to 100 into 10 power 10 square divided by 2 into 157. So q1 plus q2 will be equal to 31.83. Okay, put as equation number 1. Okay, now we have the equation for theta. Theta is nothing but the twist rate or angle of twist, 1 by 2 ag integral over the closed loop q by t into ds. Okay, now we'll find out theta 1 and theta 2. You have to understand the area is same for cell 1 and cell 2. So I can just write 2a g theta 1 or 2a g theta 2 because the area of cell 1 and cell 2 are the same. Okay. Now I'll again draw the same circle here. And this is a diameter web. This is cell 1, this is cell 2, and this is the radius 10 centimeter, and the thickness is 2 millimeter here. Here the thickness is 3 millimeter. So I'll write for cell number 1 the expression for angle of twist. 2a g theta 1 is equal to q1 into the length of this loop, that is nothing but the circumference of the circle divided by 2, that is pi. 2 pi r is the perimeter of the circle. Okay, circumference. So the perimeter of half circle is nothing but pi r, that will be pi into 10, that's the length, divided by the thickness is 2 millimeters, so it will be 0.2, that is in centimeter. Okay, plus we go for the diameter web q1 minus q2, and the length here it is nothing but diameter, that is b20, and the thickness is nothing but 0.3 centimeter. Okay, so after solving I'll be getting you solve the equation, I will be getting an equation that will be 1.424 q1 minus 0.424 q2, that is 2a g theta 1. You will be getting this answer, equation number 2. Okay, similarly I'll go for 2a g theta 2, that will be q2 for second cell, q2 into pi into 10 divided by 0.2 plus q2 minus q1, since we are considering the second cell, q2 minus q1 into 20 divided by 0.3. Okay, so I'll be getting a same answer, but the terms are interchanging, that is I'll be getting minus 0.424 q1 plus 1.424 q2, that is 2a g theta 2. Okay, and we have to understand equation number 3, that is equation 2 will be equal to equation 3 for twist continuity. Okay, so I can write 1.424 q1 minus 0.424 q2 is equal to minus 424 q1 plus 1.424 q2. Okay, so after solving this equation I can see that 1.424 q1 plus you will get 0.44 q1, and same term you are getting for q1 and q2. So finally you will be getting q1 is equal to q2. Okay, so from equation number 1 we have q1 plus q2 is equal to 31.83. So I can write 2Q1 is equal to 31.83. So Q1 is equal to 15.915. Okay, if you divide by 2, Newton per centimeter. Similarly, Q2 will be having the same answer, 15.915 Newton per centimeter. Okay, so you got the value for both the shear flows. And what about the shear flow in this diameter web? Okay, if you consider diameter web as either Q1 minus Q2 or Q2 minus Q1, the answer will be the shear flow in diameter web is 0. Okay, since Q1 and Q2 are equal. Why? Because the structure is symmetric about both axes. The structure is symmetric about both axes. Okay, about both axes with respect to the diameter web. That's why the shear flow along the diameter web is 0. So that's all about this lecture. In next lecture, we will do one of the important concept called 3-boom cell. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.